Welcome to Easy English Lessons. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. कृपया निराश न हो. Please don't be upset. Please don't be upset. तुम इतने निराश क्यों हो? Why are you so upset? Why are you so upset? उसने मुझे आँख मारी. He winked at me. He winked at me. मुझे भी ठीक वैसा ही लगता है. I feel exactly the same way. I feel exactly the same way. इस पर एक नज़र डालिए. Take a look at this. Take a look at this. इसे ऐसे भी कह सकते हैं. Have a look at this. Have a look at this. माफ़ करें, आपके काम में रुकावट डाली. Sorry to have disturbed you. Sorry to have disturbed you. तुम क्या देख रहे हो? What are you looking at? What are you looking at? मेरी आँखों में देखो. Look into my eyes. Look into my eyes. आपकी आँखें लाल हैं. Your eyes are red. Your eyes are red. उसने मुझे डरा दिया. He scared me. He scared me. Frightened भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं scared की जगह. He frightened me. माफ़ कीजिए, ऐसा गलती से हो गया. It was all by mistake. Please excuse me. It was all by mistake. Please excuse me. मुझे बहुत डर लग रहा है. I am getting pretty scared. I am getting pretty scared. या इसे ऐसे भी कह सकते हैं. I am getting very scared. I am getting very scared. हर कोई किसी न किसी चीज़ से डरता है. Everybody is afraid of something. Everybody is afraid of something. वो फिल्म डरावनी थी. That movie was scary. That movie was scary. मैं आपसे 1 मिनट के लिए बात कर सकता हूँ? May I speak to you for a minute? May I speak to you for a minute? भूतों से मत डरो. Don't be scared of ghost. Ghost में H साइलेंट रहेगा. Don't be scared of ghost. या फिर इसको ऐसे भी कह सकते हैं. Don't be afraid of ghost. Scared की जगह afraid भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. तुम्हें भूतों से डर क्यों नहीं लगता? Why are you not scared of ghosts? Why are you not scared of ghosts? तुम्हें भूतों से डर क्यों नहीं लगता? इतनी रात को आप हमारे पास कैसे आए? How come you call on us so late at night? How come you call on us so late at night? क्या तुम्हें भूतों से डर नहीं लगता? Are you not afraid of ghosts? Are you not afraid of ghosts? ऐसे ऐसे भी कह सकते हैं. Are you not scared of ghosts? मैं भूतों से नहीं डरता. I am not afraid of ghosts. या I am not scared of ghosts. इंतज़ार मत करो. Don't wait up. Don't wait up. मेरे सारे सपने चकनाचूर हो गए. My all dreams are shattered. My all dreams are shattered. अगर तुम मेरी स्थिति में होते तो तुम क्या करते? If you were in my situation, what would you do? If you were in my situation, what would you do? मुझे परिस्थिति के बदतर होने का डर है. I am afraid of situation getting worse. I am afraid of the situation getting worse. ड्राइविंग सीख लो. Learn driving. Learn driving. क्या करना है और क्या नहीं करना है? What to do and what not to do. What to do and what not to do. आपको क्या करना अच्छा लगता है? What do you like to do? What do you like to do? तुम मुझसे क्या करवाना चाहते हो? What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? तुम सीख जाओगे। You will learn. You will learn. तुम किस पर हंस रही हो? Who are you laughing at? Who are you laughing at? कौन सी राजनीतिक पार्टी जीतेगी? Which political party will win? Which political party will win? नौकरी ढूंढ लो। Find a job. Find a job. क्या ढूंढ रहे हो? What are you looking for? What are you looking for? आप नीचे क्यों देख रही हैं? Why are you looking down? Why are you looking down? उसे मत देखो। Don't look at him. Don't look at him. नौकरी कर लो। Start a job. Start a job. उसे मत घूरो। Don't stare at him. Don't stare at him. Stare का मतलब होता है घूरना। तुम मुझे याद करते हो या नहीं? Do you miss me or not? Do you miss me or not? मुझको कितना याद है? आपको कितना याद है? How much do you remember? How much do you remember? आप नहीं जानते कि मैं कौन हूँ। You don't know who I am. You don't know who I am. तुम्हें पता भी नहीं है कि मैं कौन हूँ। You don't even know who I am. You don't even know who I am. फ़ोन आ रहा है। The phone is ringing. The phone is ringing. बारिश हो रही है। It's raining. It's raining. मुझे ठंड लग रही है। I'm feeling cold. I'm feeling cold. जाकर सो जाओ। Go and sleep. Go and sleep. मुझे नहाने दो। Let me take a bath. Let me take a bath. अंधेरा हो गया है। It's got dark. It's got dark. ऐसे ऐसे भी कह सकते हैं। It's become dark. It's become dark. It's ये शॉर्ट फॉर्म है it has की। मौसम अक्सर बदलता रहता है। The weather varies quite often. The weather varies quite often. उसे गाली मत दो। Don't abuse him. Don't abuse him. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.